I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Python, Pyromane CLI, and a valid API key. Once the CLI is installed, run Pyromane version to verify. Then generate and securely store your API key in /. Pyromane /credentials so commands authenticate seamlessly. Next, open your project directory and run Pyromane in it. This creates the baseline config and environment files. Make sure to choose the correct runtime and region when prompted, because those selections determine deployment specifics and default resource limits. Once initialized, edit Pyromane. IML to define services, environment variables, ports, and resource limits. This tells Pyromane what to build and run. After saving changes, run Pyromane validate to catch syntax or schema errors, then deploy with Pyromane deploy stage staging to push your app. While deployment runs, monitor progress with Pyromane logs, follow and Pyromane status to watch health checks and startup events. If a build fails, examine the build logs for missing packages or unmet dependency versions before retrying. To finish, promote a stable staging release to production using Pyromane deploy stage production and confirm endpoints respond. Make sure health checks pass and run integration tests against live URLs. If something goes wrong, roll back quickly with Pyromane rollback deployment ID to restore the prior state. Also, verify environment variables, secrets, and any network ACLs or firewall rules. These are common causes of service startup failures. If logs show connection refused, recheck ports and service bindings, then redeploy after fixing the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.